Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, May 31st, last day of meteorological spring, and it's a very muggy day today with a few scattered storms about, but next week looks like we'll see a breath of fresh air with drier continental air arriving by Monday, maybe as early as Sunday. Check it out. There's the upper air look across the continental United States, trough in the western states, troughing passing north of here. And in the soupy air, we have a few storms around today. They are less numerous than recent days. That was the radar at 2:33. Had a few storms down around Rockford, Alexander City, down below Selma. The northern half of the state fairly quiet, but again, I expect to see several more forming over the next few hours. The big action up north, that is the radar coming out of Kentucky, and you can see big storms with heavy rain approaching Lexington. They came through Louisville. Some of those have been severe, and also producing some flash flooding. Down this way, temperatures are in the 80s. Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Gadsden all at 87, Anniston 85. We'll probably be in the upper 80s again tomorrow. And around the nation, starting to look like summertime. Seeing a lot of 80s up on the board, some 90s for Texas and Louisiana. There's the watch warning map. We note a tornado watch in effect for parts of Missouri and southern Illinois, northeast Arkansas. Again, that big convective blob up in Kentucky producing some flash flooding problems, and a heat advisory in effect for West Texas. This is the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got an enhanced risk of severe storms from southern Missouri back over into Kentucky. All of this north of Alabama. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk across the high plains, parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska. There's a marginal risk for parts of the eastern states that noses into northeast Alabama. Some of the storms tomorrow afternoon could be fairly strong. And then this is interesting on day 3, which is Saturday. We've got the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, for northwest Alabama, a marginal risk down into the southern counties of the state. And that's with the approaching trough that'll bring us some drier air late this weekend and early next week. Check the rain for the next 7 days. The west is mostly dry. Down here in Alabama, not much at all for the western side of the state. The heavier totals up over the Tennessee Valley. And again, really, after Saturday, things look much, much drier for a while. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1. Troughing in the northwest and broad troughing down here. And down below that, we're still trapped in the soupy, humid air. Dew points up in the 70s, highs in the 80s. The chance of scattered showers and storms with a mix of sun and clouds. Same thing Saturday, and again, there'll be some dynamic forcing coming into play. Certainly doesn't rain all day. It'll be partly sunny and hot, but where storms do form, they could be pretty strong. And then Sunday, we're getting into a northerly flow here, and it just might be that Sunday, the better chance of showers shifts down into South Alabama. We'll mention the chance of a shower for now, but this run looks much drier. And then Monday, a nice trough with an upper low north of us, and a dry air mass. Monday will be sunny and less humid. Highs in the mid-80s, much lower dew points. Tuesday, the cooler pockets will probably see 50s to start the day. The high will be in the low to mid-80s. The sky will be sunny. And Wednesday, we're dry. We note some shower possibilities for the southern part of the state, but again, we'll leave it dry up this way. So there's actually a chance we go 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week with no rain. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 7th. Little upper feature on the Gulf Coast. But again, that looks dry for us. Highs next week should be in the 80s. We've got 10 days. This is Sunday, June 10th. Heat ridge to the west, troughing to the north. That looks pretty quiet. No sign of any tropical mischief anytime soon. Check the numbers. Next week looks very pleasant. You can see that 91 on Saturday, but next week highs dropping in the low and mid-80s and lows down around 60, which means the cooler pockets will see 50s on several mornings next week. That'll feel pretty good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.